the creek and find some bugs?
Me! Not me, I think so.
Let's go find some bugs.
I know.
These children are students in the Anchorage School District who are enrolled in Indigenous education. They are 5th and 6th graders, or going into 5th and 6th grade. They are part of this program. We are looking at the health of the streams. Our focus this year is salmon, streams, and strength.
One thing to just watch for is I've already collected some bugs for us. Just watch where you're stepping because we want to make sure we keep all those little creatures safe. All right, let's go get in the stream. There's a nice spot to get in right over here.
We are focusing on resiliency, looking at the health of our creeks, teaches our kids how to be stewards of the land, how to keep our streams healthy, and how to further perpetuate salmon life cycles.
He's alive. Oh wait, there's another bug in there. We found a caddisfly. It's alive. It's huge, and then we found a smaller one right there.
There's enough food for salmon. Knowing that all these creatures exist when you can't necessarily see them when you just look at the river, I think is super important.
We're looking for bugs to put in the ice tray. We found a tadpole, this giant one, and multiple stonefish.
And the fact that, like, you know, there's a parking lot right over there, there's a bunch of buildings over here, but still there's all this like life living in this little bit of river.
It is pretty awesome. A lot of our kids don't even know that this stream exists here, so it gives them a chance to look at the different types of macroinvertebrate that are in our streams. A lot of our kids didn't even know what macroinvertebrate are. They didn't know what mayflies were, or stoneflies, damselflies, and here they're getting to see them in their early stages and understand just how many bugs salmon eat.
Think about the fact that there's all this baby salmon food living in it. And you now know all about all the different types of bugs that we might find in a stream like this.
Because it is very fun. That's another one.
Taking care of the rivers, even the ones that flow through town, they're all home for salmon and other fish. So taking good care of all the environment around us, but especially thinking about how what we do on the land affects the waters.